അല്ലാ യാരു.
ఎవరు అల్లా?
ആരാണ് അല്ലാഹു?
अल्लाह कौन है?
真主是谁 Who is Allah?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
مالك يوم الدين.
Sovereign of the day of recompense.